Hello friends, how are we doing? We're undecided about the gifts for the holidays. Well, if this year you want to avoid the classic t-shirt or socks and you really want to impress with a well thought out gift, you're in the right place. Today we're going to look at two gems from BlackView, which are the perfect and surprising alternative to put under the Christmas tree. Some smart and futuristic glasses, the BB100AI, and also a next-generation smartwatch, the W90 Pro. It's a watch that has embedded subscriber identity module, which basically can replace your mobile phone. It has amazing apps, and we're going to see why it's the ideal gift. Let's start with the coolest and most unexpected gift, these smart glasses from BlackView. These glasses are designed for those who are always on the move. The athlete, the traveler, the one who needs to stay connected discreetly, the cyclist, the marathon runner. The standout feature is the open-ear directional audio. You listen to high-quality music, but there's something even more important. The user can be running, riding a bike, walking down the street, listening to music, or the global positioning system that's telling you where you need to go. And meanwhile, you stay aware of the traffic and the surrounding noise. It's completely hands-free. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and the built-in microphone lets you answer calls without touching your phone. Perfect for driving on a trip or for those who work with their hands busy. Just one tap on the little arm, and that's it. Among the standout features are 1600 x 1200 video recording, which records in very good quality, Bluetooth calls, artificial intelligence assistant, and real-time translation. This is really great. Microphone for calls, it's resistant to dust and splashes. It supports Android and iOS and includes 23 and 10 languages, including Spanish. Even the manual is in Spanish. Honestly, it's a real gem. They're lightweight and have ultraviolet protection. And it's the perfect gift for that tech-savvy friend or the cyclist who already has everything but is still missing this. This is a gift that says, "This time I thought outside the box." Now let's move on to the second recommended product, the BlackView W90 Pro, a smartwatch that aims to offer a premium experience. With a key feature, 4G connectivity, long-term evolution, and eSIM. Is it just a sports watch, or can it really be the new wrist phone? Let's take a look. At first glance, the W90 Pro has a robust and elegant look. The body is made of zinc alloy, which gives it a solid feel without being excessively heavy. It also comes with a silicone strap, which is comfortable and ideal for sports, and it has an IP68 certification and is rated for 5 atmospheres. So you can forget about taking it off when swimming or being in the pool. The screen is a strong point. It's a 1.43-inch active matrix organic light, emitting diode panel with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, vibrant colors, and the brightness is excellent, even under direct sunlight. The standout feature is connectivity and performance. This is where W90 Pro really stands out, thanks to its support for 4G long-term evolution. Through the eSIM, you can make and receive calls directly from the watch, send text messages, and even use mobile data without carrying your phone. This is the perfect phone for going out for a run or for those moments when you don't want to take your mobile with you. You leave it at home, but you go out with your smartwatch phone, and you have full connectivity at all times. The operating system is based on Android, which allows for intuitive navigation. Apps open quickly, and the touch response is precise. The health and sports features cover the essentials: heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, good sleep tracking, blood pressure, and other things. It's important to remember that this doesn't replace medical equipment, but it provides a good reference for sports. The watch comes with more than 100 training modes. Additionally, it includes built-in global positioning system, which means you can accurately track your running or cycling routes without needing to carry your phone. Battery life, which is always the key question with these 4G smartwatches. It has a 900 mAh battery with moderate use, as long as you don't use the eSIM intensively. You can expect about 2 full days of battery life. If you use 4G global positioning system a lot constantly, the battery life is similar to that of a smartphone, but it's still competitive. For a watch with all these features, if you're looking for a watch with an excellent active matrix organic light emitting diode display, a rugged design, and above all, the ability to replace your phone for periods of time. Thanks to the eSIM, the W90 Pro is a solid and very versatile option. The good thing is the active matrix organic light emitting diode display, which is spectacular, water resistant, and has 4G connectivity. The eSIM, that's incredible. You don't have to insert the eSIM, which is the S chip, because it's already integrated into the watch. What could be improved? Well, the battery life could be a little longer. It could be a bit better. But you also have to consider the weight of the watch. It's a smart alternative to the more expensive brands, since its price is very affordable. And here in the description, I'll also leave you the link to AliExpress. Alright, so there you have it. 2 ways to really stand out this Christmas with tech gifts that are truly surprising. Look how beautiful they are. Aren't they really, really nice? The smart glasses or the full-featured smartwatch for sports and tracking, with the possibility of replacing your phone using the eSIM. Which of these gifts would you like under your tree? All the links are down below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you soon, God willing.